Hey guys, James here with PM Hobbycraft. We got this in today. This is the CR12 Trail Series. It's a Ford F1 pickup. It's a trail truck by Team Associated, just a small one. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, I really like it. Includes LED lights. It's got full ball bearings. Not quite a waterproof speed control. They say it's water resistant, so you kind of still have to be careful. You can't submerge it or nothing like that. But it looks really good, and we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. Move this off to the side. So a little instruction booklet here. Some other nicks and knacks it looks like. Some mirrors that are going on the side. Guess you have to install those, but man, this thing looks pretty trick. We're gonna take this out, it's pretty cool. Let's see, do I have to cut anything here? Let's see here. Oh yeah. Yeah, there you have it. Right there. That's pretty cool. Front grille on there, nice and chromed out. Looks really good. Look at that here. Unbox this and see what it looks like. It's probably just a basic, basic 2-channel radio. It comes in most kits. Let's take this out, set this down here. And yeah, there you have it. So, pretty standard radio. Throttle trim, steering trim, dual rates, throttle, steering, reversing on here. Feels good in the hands, pretty lightweight. There's a little brake disc in here, if you can see it. We'll get a picture of that, it's kind of cool. So yeah, so far so good. Decent looking truck. Decent radio, lots of fun. We're gonna take it for a rip as well and let you guys see some running footage, and yeah, let's do that. And then we'll take the body off and have a better look at it. Okay, so we got everything plugged in, guys, and we're just gonna go take it for a rip and show you what it's all about. So first of all, you can see right away the lights in the front, pretty cool. And yeah, we're gonna go. It's a fun little RC. You can set up a track in your yard and do some little scaling and crawling and have some fun with it for sure. So show you full speed. That is pretty much full speed. So it's not super fast, but like I said, set up some cool courses in your yard. Maybe take some videos of the courses you guys are doing and send them to Team Associated and let them, show them what you guys are doing with them too, right? It's a lot of fun. Especially if you get a bunch of guys that have these and, have little contests, set up courses, so you can get it, through the course the fastest, and yeah, pretty cool. Awesome. Bring it back inside. We'll wrap it up. If you guys have any questions or comments, just say it in the video here and we'll try and answer the best we can. Yeah guys, that's the unboxing, the CR12, Team Associated. Great little truck. You can have lots of fun with this, setting up courses. Thanks for watching our video, guys. Like and subscribe, comment. We'll answer comments as fast as we can. And also check out our online store at www.pmhobbycraft.ca for all your hobby needs. And we appreciate you guys watching the videos, comments. We'll try and answer as fast as we can. And yeah, have a great day, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.